Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can earn money from Bybit through a little campaign. Just perform a little task without trading, without any deposit. Perform a little task and start earning money. Okay, you can go to this USDC white win tree, draw, complete easy task and win up to 600 USDC in reward. This is very simple, and you can look at the time. The time is currently counting down now. So all you just need to do is to register now. Okay, so let's see some of those criteria. All you just need to do is to click on register. Step 2, complete a task for a lucky draw ticket or USDC reward. So you trade now or you deposit now. Okay, this is the second task. So complete the task, win more rewards. Okay, you can scroll up to look at some of those things. So how would you find this task campaign? If you just log into your dashboard, you see a lot of advert running. So you see USDC win tree. Okay, so you can just go through it, blah 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 blah, and you see what you need to do for yourself. Okay, so all you just need to do to get started, you click on register. Go up, let's go up. So click on register now. It's loading. Wow, so the registration is successful. So the next thing that we just need to do now is to go to either deposit or you trade. If you have money in it, and this trade is on derivative, don't forget, on Binance, that is derivative. No, not Binance, Bybit, sorry, it's on derivative. So click on it and just purchase any volume of your choice, or any volume that you have as USDT. Use it to purchase a volume of BTC. Okay, so all you just need to do is to press on the long, and I do believe that you know how to trade here. So all you just need to do is to buy, okay, and start trading. So the moment you trade on this very, if you trade, that is, you perform the second task. Okay, and after every activities, you will be rewarded with 20 USDC. And 20 USDC is 1 USDC is almost is equivalent to $1, I think. Okay, so almost equivalent to $1, which will give you almost $20 per task. Okay, so you can see, if you do not have money currently on your wallet, all you just need to do is to make a deposit. Depositing as well is also part of the task. Okay, so do not forget to like my video. If you are coming across to this very channel for the first time, do well to subscribe as well, and also share my videos. Okay, so you can see, if you do have any question concerning this, do well to drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, so you can see, this is simply all you just need to trade. Just trade and the task will be completed, and once the task is completed, you will be rewarded with 20 USDC per task completion. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. As I said, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. Okay, so thank you, see you in my next video. Bye.